Top 30 life-saving facts you need to know. Today, we're diving into crucial information that could one day save your life. Essential survival tips and first aid knowledge that everyone should have in their back pocket. We're covering everything from CPR to surviving natural disasters, so buckle up and get ready to learn. Knowing how to do chest compressions and give rescue breaths can double or even triple a person's chance of survival during cardiac arrest. The Heimlich maneuver is a lifesaver. We'll show you how to do it on yourself and others. Remember fast: face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, time to call 911. Finding yourself trapped in a sinking car is a nightmare scenario. Stay calm and know how to escape through a window, even if you have to break it. The ocean can be deceptively dangerous, and rip currents are a silent threat. Swim parallel to the shore until you're free. Burns are painful, but knowing how to treat them properly can prevent infection and minimize scarring. Cool the burn under running water, cover it with a clean cloth, and seek medical attention if needed. Extreme cold can be deadly, so recognizing the signs of hypothermia is crucial. Shivering, confusion, and slurred speech are all red flags. Warm the person gradually and get them medical help. Ever wondered what to do if you come face to face with a bear? It depends on the bear. Play dead for a grizzly, but fight back aggressively against a black bear. Heat stroke is a life-threatening condition. Learn the signs: high body temperature, confusion, rapid pulse. Know how to cool someone down fast. Having an escape plan, knowing your exits, and staying low to avoid smoke inhalation could save your life. Severe bleeding is scary, but knowing how to apply direct pressure and create a makeshift tourniquet can be life-saving. Lightning is a force of nature not to be messed with. If you're caught outside during a thunderstorm, seek shelter immediately, avoid open fields, and stay away from tall objects. Dehydration can sneak up on you, especially in hot weather. Learn the signs: dizziness, fatigue, dry mouth, and make sure you're drinking enough fluids. Earthquakes can strike without warning. Remember the drill: drop to the ground, take cover under a sturdy object, and hold on until the shaking stops. Concussions are serious business. If you've experienced a blow to the head, watch out for symptoms like confusion, dizziness, or nausea. Rest is key, and seek medical attention. While incredibly rare, plane crashes can happen. Knowing the brace position and following the flight crew's instructions can increase your chances of survival. Severe allergic reactions can be life-threatening. If you or someone you know has allergies, always carry an EpiPen and know how to use it. When a tornado warning is issued, get to a basement or an interior room on the lowest level, away from windows. Lay the person down, elevate their legs, keep them warm, and call for medical help immediately. Floods can happen quickly and with little warning. Never drive through flooded roads. Seek higher ground and wait it out. Heart attacks are a leading cause of death. Learn the signs: chest pain, shortness of breath, pain radiating down the arm, and call 911 immediately. If you're in the path of a hurricane, follow evacuation orders, secure your home, and have a disaster kit ready. Food poisoning is no picnic. Stay hydrated, rest, and if symptoms persist or worsen, seek medical attention. Seek shelter immediately, preferably underground, and stay put until authorities give the all clear. If you're bitten by a snake, stay calm, try to remember its appearance, and get to a hospital as soon as possible for antivenom. Teach your kids about stranger danger, and if they're ever in a situation where they feel unsafe, to fight back with everything they've got. Suspect a broken bone? Immobilize the injured area with a splint and seek medical attention for an X-ray and proper setting. In the event of a terrorist attack, remember these 3 words: run, hide, fight. Panic attacks can be terrifying, but they are not life-threatening. Focus on your breathing and reassure yourself that the feeling will pass. Always wear your seatbelt, know how to react in a skid, and stay alert behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power, and these life-saving facts could make all the difference. We covered a lot of ground today, but it's important to remember that this is just a starting point. Do your own research, take a first aid course, and be prepared. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more informative videos. Stay safe out there.